everyone, I am Jalo. Welcome back to my channel. You can say some books, some cars, some juice. So we can use some with count nouns and we can use some with non-count nouns. And make sure that you know the list of non-count nouns. We can say some people, some children, some cups. We use plural nouns after some. And we can also say some water, some information, some beer. And non-count nouns are singular. We generally use some in affirmative sentences. For example, I can see some children in the yard. But if the sentence is negative or interrogative, we say, I can't see any children in the yard. So we use any instead of some. Some more samples. For example, I bought some bread in the morning. I didn't buy any bread. Did you buy any bread? I have some sugar in my tea. I don't have any sugar in my tea. Do you have any sugar in your tea? Thus, we can use some and any for showing the amount of something, but not the exact amount. And we use some in affirmative sentences, but any in negative and interrogative sentences. But in some cases, we can use some in interrogative sentences. For example, we say, would you like some money? Can you give me some money? These sentences are interrogative, but we use some. Why? As these sentences express request and suggestion. Can I borrow some books? Oh, you are in trouble. Would you like some advice? Would you like some paper to write on? Would you like some sugar in your tea? So we use some in questions when we offer or ask for things. We generally use any in negative and question sentences. For example, I can't help you. I don't have any time. Do you have any time to help me? But we can also use any in affirmative when the sentence begins with if. For example, if I have any time, I can help you. If you have any problems, I can solve them. If they have any questions, I can answer them. We can also say without any. For example, I can do it without any help. I can learn English without any teachers. We also use any with the meaning it doesn't matter which. For example, which pen can I take? You can take any pen. It doesn't matter which. You can take any pen you want. I am very hungry. What shall we order? You can order any food you like. It doesn't matter what. So I hope you'll not confuse some and any in your conversations, in your speech. You can use them correctly. You can write any questions in the comments. And you can watch my videos anytime. See you next time.